Hello, welcome on my channel Auto Krytyk. Today, educational technical film about how to check remote control TV or RTV equipment or AGD equipment. What we need to do, we have to remote control. We need camera in a smartphone or in a computer or laptop, and that's all. When you start, press button and the infrared LED in remote control must flashing like this, and remote control is okay. When the infrared LED don't flashing, remote control isn't okay. You need to go to service and repair remote control when the LED infrared LED not flashing like this in camera A. And that's all. You can check in simply when the remote control is okay or isn't okay. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.